Cookies are small files that websites create about your visit. They send the cookies to your web browser to store until you visit the site again, and then the web browser sends the cookies back to the website. Some cookies are required to make the website work properly. Other cookies collect a wide variety of data about you. Advertisers and other third-party content on a website also create cookies. This allows them to compile a profile about you. In a previous video, we talked about cookie banners that appear on websites you visit. They give you the option to reject cookies you don't want, both from the site you are visiting and from advertisers and other third-party content. There are two other strategies you can use to prevent cookies from collecting data. You can delete cookies that have been set, or you can block cookies from being set in the first place. Cookies are managed by your web browser. Most people know that you can delete cookies by clearing your history, including cookies, in Chrome, Firefox, and Edge browsers. By opening your web browser settings, usually 3 dots or lines at the right end of your URL or address bar, and clicking on History, or in Edge, Privacy, Search, and Services. In Safari, start with Safari in the menu bar and then select Settings. Deleting cookies also signs you out of all sites. To delete cookies automatically, use your web browser's built-in deleting option. In Firefox, open your web browser settings at the 3 dots or lines in the upper right corner. Select Settings, then Privacy and Security, and look for the option to clear cookies and site data when you close Firefox. In Chrome, you will have to click through a number of screens to get the same thing. Site Settings, then Additional Content Settings, then On-Device Site Data, and finally choose Delete Data Sites have saved to your device when you close all windows. You will be able to list exceptions to this on that page. In Edge, look for Privacy, Search, and Services in Settings and go to the Clear Browsing Data section. Select Choose what to clear every time you close the browser, then look for cookies and site data. There is no automated way to clear cookies when you close the browser in Safari. Browser extensions also automatically delete cookies when you close the browser. In Chrome and Firefox, at the 3 lines or dots, select Extensions. In Firefox, search for Cookie Auto Delete. Chrome directs you to the Chrome Web Store. Note that the extension Cookie Auto Delete is still listed there, but has been disabled in Chrome. Safari favors blocking rather than deleting cookies, but several standalone applications are available to manage cookies in Safari. The other way to prevent cookies is by blocking them. You can't block all first-party cookies set by the website you are visiting because some are necessary, but you can block all third-party cookies. You can use built-in blocking options in your browser. In Chrome and Firefox, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and look for the option to block third-party cookies. In Edge, go to Settings, then Privacy, Search, and Services, and look for the Block option. Safari blocks all third-party cookies by default. Also try these strategies. The Do Not Track setting no longer works, but Global Privacy Control tells websites not to sell or share your data, but it only works with some websites and is only enforced in some states. It is available in the Firefox, DuckDuckGo, and Brave browsers, but you have to add an extension in Chrome to get it. Ad blockers remove some third-party content, so they can't set cookies. Using incognito or private browsing mode doesn't prevent cookies from being set, but they are deleted when you close the session, and it's harder for third parties to trace the data collected back to you. You don't have to just complain about data being collected about you on the internet. You can do something about it. Newport Wireless Mesh is a nonprofit wireless internet provider in northern Vermont, USA. One of our goals is to help you use the internet more efficiently and safely.